Good morning, students. I hope all are good at home. So let us start our exercise. Next exercise 3.2. In this exercise, the exercise is about exterior angle. Exterior angle are which angle? The angles which are on the outside of a figure. Like in this figure, x is exterior angle, this is exterior angle, 125, this is also exterior angle. If the angles comes under the figure, means inside the figure, then they are called interior angle. The exercise is about exterior angle. Then there is a property. Sum of exterior angle of any polygon is 360 degree. Always remember, we take any of the polygon, the sum of all exterior angles will be 360 degree. So comes to first question. The figure is given. Exercise 3.2. Therefore, I have to say that find x. So total measure of all exterior angle is equal to 360 degree. So exterior 125 plus 125 plus x is equal to 360 degree. When we solve it, we get x is equal to 110. Now come to this question. The figure is just like exterior angle. The sign is given this sign represent 90 degree. Here 70, this is x. 90 degree angle is here. Both are linear pairs, so this angle will also be 90 degree, 60 degree. Same total measure of exterior angle 360 degree. When we add all these angles, we get x plus 310 is equal to 360, and after solving x is equal to 50 degree. Now the second question is find the measure of each exterior angle of a regular polygon of first is 9 sides. 9 sides, we know total measure of each of all exterior angle 360 degree. Number of sides 9. So measure of each exterior angle. This is sum divided by total number of sides. This is 40 degree. Likewise, the second part 15 sides. Measure the 360. Number of sides 15. After dividing, so sum of each exterior angle will be 24 degree. Now, in the next question, third question, how many sides does a regular polygon have if the measure of each exterior angle is 24? Measure of each exterior angle 24 degrees, sum of all exterior angles, we know it's 360. So, number of sides 360 divided by 24, when we solve it, we get 15 sides. In the next question, they have given how many sides does a regular polygon have if each of its interior angle, they are saying interior angle. So, sorry, this is your fourth question. Measure of each interior angle 165 degree. This is taking about the interior angle, and measure sum of all exterior angle, we know it's 360 degree. So we have to find out exterior angle sum. Measure of exterior angle, but it will be 180 minus interior angle, because interior and exterior angle both make a linear pair. Likewise, if this is the figure and this is exterior angle, then it will be the interior angle, and both sum will be 180 degree linear pair. So 180 minus interior angle, 180 minus 165. So sum of each exterior angle is 15 degree. 15 degree. We have got the measure of exterior angle, and we know the sum, number of sides, sum divided by exterior angle measure. So we got 24 sides. Now fifth question is it possible to have a regular polygon with measure of each exterior angle as 22 degree? We know sum of exterior angle of any polygon 360 degree. Exterior angle measure is equal to 22 degree. Then what will be the number of sides? 360 divided by 22. But it is not divisible. 360 is not divisible. Divided by 22, it is not divisible. So the answer is no. In the second part, they say, can it be an interior angle of a regular polygon? We say that exterior angle, no, it cannot be exterior angle. So what about the interior angle? Firstly, we find out the interior angle measure. If exterior angle is 22 degree, interior angle is equal to, now if 22 degree is interior angle, then what will be the exterior angle? 180 minus interior angle, 180 minus 22, 158. And we have 158 is not divisor of 360. If we do like this, we cannot find the number of lines. So 158 is also not divisor of 360, which is sum of all exterior angles. So 22 degree cannot be an interior angle, cannot be an exterior angle of any polygon. Next is 6. What is the minimum interior angle possible for a regular polygon? Y. And the second, what is the maximum exterior angle possible for a regular polygon? For a regular polygon, least number of sides. So at least 3 sides must be there if it is a polygon, 3. And what is the name of the polygon which is regular and which has 3 sides? It is an equilateral triangle. And what is the measure of each interior angle of equilateral triangle? It is 60 degree. Now they say if 60 degree is the least angle of a regular polygon, then what will be the maximum exterior angle? So maximum exterior angle possible is equal to 180 minus least interior angle. Least interior angle 60, 180 minus 60, it is 120. So this is end of our exercise. Thank you students.